So you made a beautiful door in Blender, you import it to Unreal Engine, and you cannot walk through it. Here's how to fix this. Look here in the content browser, open it up, and then we can show here, show the simple collision, and you can see it is blocked. You can have the complex collision enabled. You can see if it is complex, you can walk through it. Now we can set it as a complex collision right here on the right side. When you scroll down, you look for the collision. And then here, under complexity, use the complex collision as simple. Then save this. And now in your game, you can walk through it. But there is a better way, because now it works, but it might be performance heavy if you have a complex model. This here should be fine. So you go back to your door. Then we're going to remove the collision. And then what we can do now is add a collision. You can add spheres, capsule, but for this model, I'm going to add a box. And then like the other tools, you can just move and scale and rotate them around, however you would like it. And with Alt, you can duplicate it. And then scale them again down. Now this doesn't have to be perfect. You can take your time for it, or however you would like it. So I'm going to do this quickly like this. And holding Alt can copy this one. And use this one. And now when I hit play, I can also walk through it and it's less performant. So that's how you can do this in Unreal Engine 5.7 and beyond.